Alright guys, I'm looking for Train Biter again. I literally have almost every variant. It's ridiculous. Look at how dinged up these boxes are. Someone at the store must have saw them and gone into a blind rage. Alright, moment of truth, y'all. Oh. This is honestly one of the better pulls from this way, but it's not what I'm looking for. Last box, I only have 2 this time. And it looks like we got the second blue raspberry goji. Maybe I'm cursed or something. Should I give up on Train Biter or should I keep trying?